Chapter 1. March. The crazed look in Rhys's eyes scared the hell out of Mandy. In all the years she'd known him, she'd never seen him come unglued. Blood streaked the white walls of his living room, and several family photos hung broken inside their frames. 4 new holes in the drywall would greet him when some of the alcohol left his system, but she imagined he wouldn't care. She wanted to fix it. Sweat glistened on the flat pads of his chest, and a bead rolled down his torso. She followed its progress over the ripple of his abs. An unwanted and badly timed burst of lust had her feet moving before her mind had time to catch up. Even as her fingers fanned his cheek, she knew it was a mistake. When his sweet brown eyes focused on her, it was too late to back down. His gaze never left hers, even as he turned his head and pressed his lips to the inside of her wrist. She craved him. It had always been Rhys, and no one else. He would destroy her, and she was going to let him.